Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge is making headlines once again, this time due to a now-deleted listing from an Italian retailer that stirred excitement and confusion among fans. The listing offered an unexpected glimpse into the pricing of the much-rumored device, and let's just say, it's not exactly what people were hoping for. Here's the scoop. Italian online retailer Zanetti briefly posted a page showcasing the Galaxy S25 Edge, along with its pricing in euros. According to the listing, the 256GB version was marked at €1,362, while the 512GB model was listed at €1,488. Yep, those figures are noticeably higher than the previous estimates. Before this leak, most tech insiders predicted the 256GB model would retail between €1,249 and €1,259, while the 512GB variant would range from €1,369 to €1,379. That's a roughly €100 jump for both storage options, a difference that's raising eyebrows throughout the mobile tech community. Even more intriguing, these prices position the Galaxy S25 Edge above the Galaxy S25 Plus, despite the Plus traditionally occupying the mid-tier spot. The only device in the S25 series expected to cost more is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which, of course, comes packed with ultra-premium features. Still, for a model that's intended to be the slim and stylish variant, that price hike is surprising. Zanetti isn't alone. Another Italian retailer, Epto, listed the same pricing before the page was also taken down. This level of consistency between retailers adds credibility to the leak and suggests we may be seeing near-final pricing for the European market. As for colors, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected in 3 finishes: titanium silver, titanium jet black, and titanium ice blue. Interestingly, the listings labeled them simply as Titan colors instead of titanium, but they're likely the same shades. No 1TB variant was listed, so if you were hoping for massive internal storage, you might be out of luck. Originally, the S25 Edge was expected to debut in mid-April, but the latest reports suggest a delay, with May 13th now rumored as the new launch date. As of now, there's no confirmation on whether the device will be released in the US or limited to select regions. Now, let's talk design and specs, because the S25 Edge is far from your typical Galaxy device. Its standout feature? An insanely slim profile at just 5.84mm thick, making it one of the thinnest phones on the market, and aligning with the rising trend of ultra-slim devices. But there's a trade-off. That sleek frame means sacrifices had to be made. One of the most obvious is the battery. The Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to feature just a 3,900 mAh battery, which, let's be honest, feels pretty underwhelming by today's standards. It remains to be seen how well it will handle daily usage, especially when combined with a high-performance chip and a large display. Speaking of which, the phone is expected to have a 6.66-inch screen and be powered by the Snapdragon